This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Jonathan Anderson. Nestled in the heart of the Markham Woods corridor, in the private gated community of Lake Markham Landings, this Champlain model custom-built home with its modern open floor plan is designed to entertain family and friends. The property is ideally positioned on over a half an acre with sprawling green space views. This well-maintained Champlain model has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 separate garages, with one being a 2-car garage and the other one a single garage, and a private courtyard between the garages. The grand entrance into the home opens into high ceilings and dark plank wood-look ceramic tile floors. The impressive kitchen with its large island has quartz countertops, cabinetry, sub-zero refrigerator, 2 Wolf built-in ovens, Wolf microwave, and Wolf countertop cooktop. The Grand Master Suite has views of the sitting area and green space. The master bathroom with its large garden tub, shower, double vanity, large walk-in closet are resort-worthy. The 3 other bedrooms are spacious and have walk-in closets. The bedrooms all boast new carpet floors that were installed May 2024. The home has a combination of shutters and electronic remote-controlled window treatments throughout to make relaxing and entertaining effortless. The office is pre-wired with Cat6 data wired to the server, and the home has a dedicated fiber optic line. The server's room has its own separate AC unit, and contains the security system as well. The home has 3 AC units. The enclosed saltwater pool and water features will take your breath away, and has a pool chiller for warmer months. The pool area is incorporated in the back patio, has a paver area outside of the screened-in lanai, and the lanai screens were replaced on May 30, 2024. The lush landscaping has been well maintained, and included with the home is an invisible dog fence. The home also features 2 Generac generators in case the power goes out, so your life can continue uninterrupted. The home is next to the community's boardwalk leading to a covered gazebo overlooking Lake Markham, where you may see all of the Florida wildlife. The home is located close to the recently completed 429 Toll Road and I-4. It is located within 45 minutes of downtown Orlando, Daytona Beach, and the theme parks. For more information, review the details below or contact John.